At the outset, Preeti and Rajesh, let me congratulate you since Two Hands is turning 5 this year. Congratulations, kudos to you and your entire team for this fantastic initiative of propagating traditional Indian food across the globe, and this year supporting Impact Foundation. Congratulations. Thank you for making me a part of this initiative. I am truly honored. I am Madhuli Ajay. I am based in Nasik. Nasik borders the Khandesh region. Some part of Nasik district are part of Khandesh region, and hence the local food is highly influenced by Khandeshi cuisine. Fiery hot gravies topped with a layer of oil which is called as tarri here. That is a trademark Khandeshi recipe for you, or a Khandeshi dish for you. Uh, at every nook and corner here you will find the specialities like misal and shev bhaji. The quintessential kala masala makes the base for all these gravies. Kala masala along with onion and garlic and dried coconut, which forms the base for these gravies, which is also called as rasa. Mutton rasa cooked in a kala masala gravy, and it is served with bhakri or the local Indrayani rice. That is very popular at the local eateries. Another specialty which is called as patwadya or patodyachi amti or rasa or bhaji, which is famous. So besan dough is rolled out and cut into strips and cooked in a kala masala gravy. The rustic version of this is called as dubuk vade, in which instead of making strips, the dumplings are made from besan dough and dropped in a kala masala gravy. Both taste good. I am partial towards the dubuk vade since I like them more. Both can be served with either the staple jawar bhakri or rice. Apart from the jawar bhakri, kalna bhakri is also very popular here. Kalna is a blend of udad and jawar. The kalna bhakri and chutney is usually consumed during the winters. Then peanuts and peanut oil is also extensively used in the cuisine here. Peanuts along with lavangi mirchi, the green ones, the spicy ones, and garlic are roasted and hand pounded in a mortar and pestle. It's a wooden mortar and pestle which is called as badgi and musil to make the thecha. Thecha, again, it is served with bhakri. The Khandeshi love for eggplants need not be stressed. Be it the green eggplants which are called as jalgavi wangi, they are used to make bharit, or the smaller ones which are stuffed with kala masala, or some of them are mashed to make the gotleli bhaji. All the Khandeshis love eggplants. The gotleli bhaji and dal batti are part of many festivities all across Khandesh. Then Khapravarche Mande, which is a Khandeshi version of Puran Poli, and wheat kheer are the sweets that are used for festivities. Khapravarche Mande are very skillfully made and cooked on an upturned pan which is called as khapar. So it's a very skillful job. Hot summers are used to make sun-dried items like papad and vade. Out of those, bibde are a famous Khandeshi preparation of papad. They are made with jawar. It is my personal favorite and I love it to have during the summers with my meals. I hope this information gives you a glimpse of the Khandeshi cuisine, or introduces you to the Khandeshi cuisine or the local cuisine here. Thank you again, Preeti and Rajesh, for inviting me, and my best wishes to you for this event. Bye.